trying to back that trailer out there on that highway.
Oh,
and I pulled up there too, and I was flashing the lights all the way down the road.
What's up YouTube? It's Brian with American Farm Restorations coming back to you with another video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. We do all things from lawnmowers, tractors, ATVs, excavators, bulldozers, land clearing, small engine repair, and any other project around the house. As you may have seen from the first part of this video, we have flown down over 1,000 miles to take a look at buying an excavator for the property. It's a Hyundai 60CR-9A. It's about a 13,500 pound machine. A little bit smaller than our old John Deere 290D, which is about 19,000 pounds. We had to sell that because we wanted something a little bit newer that required less maintenance. The main purpose of this excavator is going to be, it's going to be put to work on a new piece of property that we purchased that we plan to take from raw land all the way through to home development and building our dream home. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, stick around, watch this video, watch some of our other videos, hit that subscribe button, the bell icon. We're going to be trying to push out more content. If you're already subscribed and have seen some of our videos before, you'll notice that we have a new intro. Hopefully you guys like that. Let us know what you think in the comments. We really appreciate you guys being here. We couldn't do it without you, and thank you for over 300 subscribers. Enjoy the video. Well, here it is, our brand new excavator. Well, new to us. It's a 2019 Hyundai. It's got about 700 hours on it roughly. It's in pretty good shape. We're gonna have another video on a little bit more in depth once we get it back home. We got the shipper, he's on his way. He should be here shortly. We're gonna get it loaded up on a trailer, say goodbye to it, and we're gonna head south, hop on a plane down in Florida, then get back up north and hopefully meet it up there, and it'll be in one piece. Hopefully.
trailer out there on that highway.
Oh,
and
is
I
he?
pulled up there too, and I was flashing the lights all the way down the road. Lord, and they finally pulled back on the road, and there was about 20 cars come by once he pulled back on the dirt road.
700 hours on it. It's a 2019 Hyundai 60CR-9A. It's about a 65 horsepower machine, weighs about 13,500 pounds roughly. It came with a 48-inch ditching bucket and a 24-inch digging bucket. Has a hydraulic thumb. Machine seems to be in really good shape, really well taken care of. I'll put our bucket back here for now. Out of the way, won't get ran over or anything. This is so much smoother than the old one. Where do you want me to put it for now? Well, the machine has officially arrived and there has been no damage. Came all the way from Georgia up here about 1,000 miles away. We're ready to use it on the property here and put it to work ripping out some brush, trees, all sorts of crap. Looking forward to it. If you're new here, thank you for watching this video and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. We're going to be putting a road through here, out to the field, maybe building a house, putting in a gate, building a barn. All sorts of stuff. There's plenty of content that's going to be coming to this channel as time goes by. This is just one of the newest machines that we got to do the job. In the next few weeks we'll be bringing Frank the Bulldozer up, the 450B John Deere, and that should be an adventure in and of itself. We'll also be putting that to work on the property. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.